Hey, Ben with Allen Company. I'm here to talk about our magnetic handgun mount. This is a cool little product, allows you to creatively and discreetly store any type of firearm you have in almost any place you want to store it. You can use this to store a firearm for quick and easy access. You can use it for safety, storing a firearm up high to keep it out of reach of little kids or somebody who doesn't need to be reaching your firearm. There's a lot of creative and useful ways you can use this thing. It holds a lot of weight, can hold some of your heaviest firearms. We got a shotgun on it here. Again, this is a really cool product, a lot of different ways to use it. Over the next couple of weeks, we're gonna come at you with some more content, a few different ways you can install it, different places to install it. We'll be asking you for input on where would you like to install this, or where do you install this and use this product. So make sure you follow along, follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.